Welcome everyone! If you're looking to plan your first Disney cruise, get ready for an unforgettable adventure. I'm Lisa, and today I'm sharing 10 must-know tips to make your maiden voyage with Disney Cruise Line absolutely magical. Stick around until the end and I'll even give you a bonus tip with one of my favorite things about DCL. Now, let's get started. Tip number 1. Plan early. Disney cruises are incredibly popular right now and can sell out quickly. If you're planning to travel during peak times like spring break, or if you're looking at a specialty cruise like Marvel, you'll really want to jump on those bookings. Booking 12 to 18 months in advance will help ensure the cruise you want will still be available. Booking early can also help you secure the best staterooms and dining times. While Disney ships have a large number of rooms, booking early gives you the widest variety to choose from. Many people will want to pick their room type or location on the ship, and those things may not be available if you wait. Disney cruises also have 2 dining times for dinner every day. These are typically around 6 and 8 p.m. If you're traveling with little ones who will be tired and hangry by 8 o'clock, you'll want to book early. The early dining time fills up quickly. In addition to these things, early booking often means better rates. Cruise pricing is unlikely to go down unless Disney decides to offer a promo, but with cruising being so popular lately, the cruise promos are few and far between. Tip number 2. Complete online check-in as soon as your window opens. Disney allows you to complete your check-in online starting 30 days before your cruise. You will need to do this check-in through the website or the app. To complete your check-in, you'll need a headshot of everyone in your group, a picture of everyone's travel documents, and a credit card. Completing the online check-in will give you your boarding group. The earlier you check in, the earlier boarding group you will be in. Earlier boarding groups mean you get on the ship sooner and can start enjoying the magic more quickly. Tip number 3. Arrive at your departure port a day early. Please take my advice and don't fly in the day of your cruise. One missed or canceled flight and you've missed your whole vacation. This is not a risk worth taking. By arriving a day early, you can explore the port city and get your vacation started. Trust me, you'll have a less stressful vacation if you aren't rushing to get to the port. Tip number 4. Download the Cruise Line Navigator app. This handy app is absolutely critical to have when you're on the ship, but is also helpful before you go. Download the app as soon as you book your cruise. Every time you open the app, it will give you this really cute countdown screen so you can see exactly how long before you get to cruise. Letting your kids check the countdown can be a fun way to build their excitement for the trip. Once your booking window opens for activities and excursions, you can also do that through the app. After you board the ship, the app will be your best friend, keeping you updated on daily activities, dining menus, and more. It even has a chat feature so you can stay in touch with your family while you're on the ship. Are you looking to book your first Disney cruise and feeling a little overwhelmed? I would love to help you. Helping families take Disney vacations and have magical cruises is my absolute passion. I study all things Disney so that you don't have to. To get your stress-free magical cruise planning started, click my link in the description below and I'll do the work for you. Back to those tips. Tip number 5. Pack smartly. Disney cruises are fairly laid back when it comes to a dress code. If you want to dress up for dinner, you can and won't feel out of place. But if you're exhausted and just need to head to dinner in your shorts, that's okay too. The only places you really have to be concerned with dress code on a Disney cruise are in the adult-only dining locations. You'll likely be spending some time at the pool or doing water activities on your cruise, so make sure you pack your swimsuit and your water shoes. You should be aware that you won't immediately have access to your baggage when you get on the cruise, so you'll want to put things you can't be without in a small carry-on to keep with you. Want a full list of everything you need to pack for your Disney cruise? Check out the link in the description below and get my Disney cruise packing list delivered right to your inbox. Tip number 6. Don't miss the sail away party. The sail away party is one of my favorite parts of a Disney cruise. This festive event marks the start of your cruise with music, dancing, and your favorite Disney characters. It's a fantastic way to kick off your vacation with a bang. The party will take place immediately after your muster drill is completed, so be ready to leave the drill and go immediately to the party. Going to the deck above where the show takes place is a great way to get an amazing view of the show, but if you're traveling with little ones, you should also be aware that there is usually an area blocked off right in front of the stage so that the kids can see the characters easily and have plenty of room to join in the dancing. Tip 7. Take advantage of Disney's rotational dining. Disney cruises are unique in that you're assigned a rotation for dining that will give you an opportunity to visit all of the standard restaurants on board. You'll rotate through the different themed restaurants each night with your serving team following you to each one. It's a unique way to experience a variety of cuisines and atmospheres without missing out on personalized service. You won't be able to see the order of your dining until you're aboard the ship and connected to the ship's Wi-Fi. If you have any concerns with your dining rotation, there is a dining team available on embarkation day that you can talk to about the possibilities of making changes. Tip 8. Participate in the onboard activities. From Broadway-style shows to character meet and greets to trivia and cooking classes, there's something for everyone. We thoroughly enjoy the Disney-focused trivia, even though I'm terrible at it, and have also really enjoyed the cooking demos where they will show you how to make some of the most popular dishes for that cruise ship. These activities vary based on the length of your cruise and how many sea days you'll have. Check your Navigator app daily to see what's happening and make the most of your time on board. When reviewing the activities available, you'll be able to click the heart next to the activity and then you'll get a reminder shortly before it starts. Tip 9. Utilize the Kids Club. Disney's youth clubs offer age-appropriate activities and entertainment, giving kids a chance to make new friends while parents enjoy some alone time. These clubs are available for all ages, but you should know that the club available for kiddos under 3 will cost extra and needs to be reserved in advance. Kids clubs for kids ages 3 to 10 have activities like games, crafts, and character interactions, while the preteen and teen clubs focus on things like dance parties, movies, and video games. DCL's kids clubs are supervised by trained staff so that you can relax knowing your kids are having a blast in a safe environment. And our final tip, tip 10, is one of my personal favorites to use. Book your next cruise while still on board. Disney often offers special discounts and incentives for booking future cruises during your current trip. Don't worry, you don't have to have your next cruise all planned out to do this. The way the system works is that you'll put down a deposit, which Disney calls a placeholder, towards a future cruise which you will have to use within 2 years. At the time of the filming of this video, the deposit amount is $250 and is fully refundable. That placeholder is then applied to the cost of your cruise when you book. You're currently also able to receive a 10% discount when you use your placeholder. Here's your bonus tip. Take advantage of those adult-only spaces. Even though Disney is a cruise line that most people associate with kids, they do a tremendous job of having spaces and activities for adults. These spaces include lounges, a spa, and adult-only pools. Personally, the spa is my top choice. So take advantage of those amazing kids clubs and sneak in a massage during your magical cruise. There you have it. 10 must-know tips for your first Disney cruise. I hope these tips have helped you feel more prepared for your magical cruise. If you found this video to be helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you'll be here for all my Disney travel tips. Thanks for watching and have a magical day.